Liam, go. Go, Liam.
Exit. Boy, pretty big, huh? Yeah. Mettiamo delle all the way back in the game.
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara.
Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits.
Transport is away in 30 seconds.
I didn't. Okay, so like this.
ally is very good for caring magical creatures, knows the protection and invulnerability. And unicorn hair for your charm and charisma, which is helping you on your way. Now, the one who's chosen the wizard. My sister will ask questions and get other options. Thank you. And remember, the wand learns from the wizard, but the wizard must also learn from the wand to use it wisely. Very welcome, Mrs. All that way's fine too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our connection continues right through here. If you'd like to continue to peruse, I hope you enjoy your time here in Diagon. Have a good day then.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting the Universal Orlando Resort. Face coverings are required indoors and at all attractions regardless of vaccination status. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your day.
What does it do here before we go on to the ride?
Here comes the waves. Huh? Okay. Water is warm. This is really warm. Yes. Woohoo! Huh? Well, don't do that. Why are you going so much faster than me? Okay.
I can see her. Can I see her putting to take a video underwater?
Thank you so much. You're very good at scratching. Where are you from, my friend?
Idaho.
The tropical island of Idaho. How
Yeah.
exciting.
It is very tropical and snowy.
It's snowing?
Yeah.
Oh, I've always wanted to see snow.
It's not as good as you might think it is.
It's not?
Nah.
Oh, boy. All right. Well, I guess it's one of those you've got to see it for yourself
Yeah.
situations. Is this your first time here?
Yes?
Oh my goodness, welcome! You are now a part of the Waturi people. Did you know that? As soon as you set foot on the island, you become a part of our family. So you should know our family history and how this all came to be.
Other than that, if you guys have any questions when we dock down, my name is Captain Jerry and I'll be pleased to help. We hope you guys have a fantastic night with us here at Universal Orlando.